Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Here we are, some pizza today. We're making a quick, fast recipe. You're gonna love this. It's called spaghetti alla Marechiara. So, see you a little bit. Okay, we're back. First thing we're going to do, get some hot water, or some water, some spaghetti going. Let's say about half a pound of spaghetti. I'm going to put some salt. Very important that you put salt. Never do anything without salt. And cook any pasta. Cook any pasta without salt. And the first thing, we're going to start with this. First thing we do, some olive oil, some virgin olive oil. Some fresh garlic. About this much fresh garlic. This is one of those dishes that you cook them right away. It's fresh seafood with pasta. You'll love this, so there it goes. So once you have the clams halfway frozen, okay? Very easy to open up. Just go whack, 1, 2, 3. They open up. I like to put them facing down. If you open up, you cook them up really fast. These are medium necks, by the way. You get the little necks if you want. And here, put a little bit of white wine. Put some shrimp on it. Since the clams are already open, you don't have to worry about opening them up. So the pasta is there, it's almost there. I'd say about, it's about 7 to 8 minutes. Pasta should cook really fast. Put a little bit of marinara. Much, but this is Marechiara. And put up a little bit of fresh parsley. Those clams, those clams, and those shrimp, they're cooked already. So at the end, right before you add spaghetti in it, I put some calamari in there. Calamaris, I cook them very little. They're about 2 minutes because calamaris. There's 2 ways of cooking calamaris. They're really quick, a real long time. You cook them up really quick. Minute and a half, they're done. If you pass that time, they're gonna get hard. They're gonna get rubbery. Now you got like a half hour to go, so you want to do that. So they cook up really quick. Calamaris. Dish is almost done. Just gotta get that spaghetti going. That's it. And the pasta looks like it's done. Soup is done. Calamari looks like they're done. We're just gonna throw these spaghetti right inside the seafood. Wow, that's sweet. Look at that. See? Marechiara means very clear. Clear sauce. Not too red. Not really white. I'll say another 30-40 seconds. I'm going to plate this up. They're done. Now, if you're the kind of guy that likes putting Parmesan on seafood, hey, go for it. Me, I love Parmesan anywhere. Even on ice cream. And this, my friends, is spaghetti Marechiara. Clams with shrimp and calamari. Hope you guys make this because you're going to love this. You'll enjoy this. So this has been Pasta Fazool. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.